What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a spare key into a newer Chevy Impala. It should be years 2014 to 2019. This has got a keyed ignition. It's a very straightforward process. We don't even have to have a programmer for this one. We're going to take our original key. You must have a working key for this procedure to work, otherwise you'll have to use a scan tool. Take your original key, crank up the car, let it run for a second, turn all the lights off. There's our theft light. Should go away. Now we're going to take our new key. We're going to turn off the car, take out the original, take new key, quickly start the car with the new key. See 6 keys programmed. Theft light should go out. Go ahead and hit dismiss. Now we'll turn the car off. There you have it, guys. Remote programs with the key. It's very straightforward, only takes a couple seconds. Thank you for your time.